Okay, I come downstairs to this morning. Forgive the mess. I'm trying to get stuff ready for garage sale too, and cleaning up. Okay, that was my crocheting on the floor. Forgive the shoe. Okay, it was all out in the kitchen too. Okay, so I'm trying to clean up. And you can see there's yarn all over here. Okay, and it goes all the way around the table, around the chairs. Hello, Rufus. Through the chairs, under the table. It even wraps around. Oh, hey, here's the end of the ball of yarn right by my shoes. And I'm trying to gather it up, and you can see it all just kind of it wraps around all underneath the table. Doesn't that look like fun?